Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen dimming issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, click on Light. After click on Light, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open Quick Settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on Restart. After click on Restart, again click on Restart. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings and go back and click on Reset Accessibility Settings. Enter your phone PIN, click on Reset Accessibility Setting. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen dimming issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.